Yo, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a service from your Bosscart website. So a service product, this could be something like say if you have like a web design agency, so if maybe you want to sell logo design and people purchase your services on the website, or maybe you have catering service or something like that, and you want to sell the service and have them purchase ahead of time online, and then you can ask for specific information during the checkout process. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get right into it. So once we logged in, we're going to go into my shop and then we're going to hit add a product. And before we add products, we always have to add the category that it's going to be in. And since we don't have one set up for this one, we're going to add a what are we going to call this? We'll call this, for this example, we'll do web design. So this is going to be web design maintenance. So I'm going to get into it in a second, but you can set up one-time payments, or you can set up subscription payments, or you can set up installment payments. So we're going to do website management. We'll do that. If you have social media management, you offer any kind of service like that, you can sell it right from your Bosscart website. So hit submit. So our website management excuse me, category is there. So let's go ahead and add a product. And we're going to click service. And then for this example, we're going to do website management. We'll call it silver. And we're just going to leave this blank. And I did another video on how to customize the description, the product pages, and all that with custom widgets. You can check that out. I'll link to it in the top right here in the cards. Going down here for price. So for this management product or this service, we're going to charge $99 a month. This is the silver package. So we're just gonna put 99 here, and I'm gonna go down, no SKU, no stock, and then we're gonna do, so right here you see subscription product. So we're gonna click that, and well, I guess for this example I can't really do it because this is a test account, a demo account, and the boss plan is needed for it. But what I would do is I would set ongoing payments to once per month. Or like say if you were selling SEO or something like that, you can actually do ongoing payments every 3 months, every 4 months, so, or every 6 weeks. So you can customize it like that. But for this example, I would put charge every single month, and I would this would be a select button instead of a upgrade now button. So basically what we're just gonna have to do is just gonna be a one-time payment. But that's how that would work. And it would just go on, it would just charge them every single month, and the customer, once they purchase the product, they'll have a place where they can log in and manage their payments. They can cancel, they can see their account and all that kind of stuff. So ask for additional information for this product. So for this one I put, say, domain name, because we want to know, have them indicate what domain name this is for our records. And then we can do something like Facebook page. And then here we have an option for a custom thank you page. So if I were to set this up, I would actually have an onboarding setup sort of page. So where it would be a video where I would explain the next steps on how we're getting started, what you need to do, how we're going to collect content. We start to get the login information. And I would have a thank you video on a landing page, basically just explaining that whole process right after they check out, just so immediately after they feel like they're receiving a level of service right after they purchase. So that's where I would indicate that, and then you would just click that and then just select the page there. And selecting links is really cool because You can choose from pages that you already have set up, and it'll link to the page. So even if the actual page URL changes, it will still link to that page. It won't break the link, which is cool. And you can link to store products, you can link to categories, you can link to any link on the internet, you can link to files, you can link to maybe you want to have them call, you can have it go to a pop-up generator. So we're not going to set that up, but I would encourage doing that. And if I were setting this up on Bosscart, I would definitely have a thank you page with a thank you video. And then we have our category. So this is going to be required. It's going to need a category. So we're going to select website management, confirm. And then here we have options to add variations. These are different options that will essentially, basically tell you what type of product it's going to be. So maybe we want to add social media management here. We could do that, for example, social media management, for example. No, we wouldn't put that here. We put add-ons, and then we'd add for our variations social media management, and we put maybe ads management just to go with our website management. And then we probably, since those would cost extra for social media management, we'd probably make it say $3.99, and then ads management, we'll add that on for another $9.99. So these variations will change the price. So if they select any one of these, it'll change the price of the actual product. So it'll start at $99 if they just got the management without any add-ons. And then if they select any of these add-ons, that's what it'll do to the price. So we're gonna go scroll back up. We're gonna select our image. We're just gonna pick this one here. And then you see our URL has been generated, so we just leave that. And then our SEO description, we just describe what the product is all about, just for Google's purposes, for crawling the website and indexing it for search results. And then we're pretty much done. So we're gonna hit save. And then our website management service is listed right here. So as you can see, we have product up here, digital product. So it tells us what kind of product it is. And then we have our service product here. So we're gonna go to our store and we're gonna hit refresh. And then our website management product is right here. So if we click it, we've got website management and we've got our add-ons here. So what I didn't do, if I go back here, because as you notice, the price is $3.99 because this is selected by default. So you're going to be sure to, if we click on website management, we're going to add another variation, just management. And then, because one of these has to be selected. So we're going to hit save. Make sure I did that right, because we got to have it. Yeah, so just management is just going to be the 99 here, make sure, because it's going to require them, so going back to the front, it's going to require them to select one of the variations. Just like a physical product where you have a shirt size, you have shirt color, like you have to choose a color, you have to choose a size. For these variations, you have to choose one of the options. So keep that in mind. If you want to have add-ons, be sure to have an option there with just it's named as just the product without any add-ons. So we're gonna hit refresh here. And then, as you can see, we've got social media management, $3.99, ads management, $9.99, and then just management, $99. So we can have, the domain.com here, Facebook page, facebook.com, and then you would go to checkout just like we normally would. So we go to checkout and review our order. Got an option for coupon codes. Then they proceed to checkout, and then boom, everything is handled here. So they would go ahead and check out as normal, and whatever payment gateways you have connected will pop up on the billing details. So that's how you set up a service in your Bosscart website. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If not, leave a like. If so, you know, like I said, leave a comment, and be sure to share it with anybody you might think that needs this, because you know, this is just a really simple way to sell a service online and really just drop people links to your services, and you know, makes things really easy for selling online when you're able to just send them a link and not have to deal with back and forth PayPaling and you know, Cash App and you know, stuff that's unprofessional. You have a place where they'll get invoices depending on whatever payment gateway you have set up. We integrate with PayPal, we integrate with Stripe, we integrate with Braintree, and I'll do a video on all the payment gateways. So that being said, that's it. We're at 10 minutes. So until next time, I'll holla. Peace.